They wanted to, in fact, infuse tensions in India's secular fabric, Mr. R.P. Singh, and yet we continue to see and observe that people like Pannu, have a soft corner for Pakistan. They continue to incite the Sikh community and bring up ghosts from the past that have no relevance to the strength India has displayed, to the support the Sikh community has displayed whenever India is in trouble. Mr. Singh.
We need, since Narinder Singh is there, Narinder Singh ji, ek Ragi Sahab bhi, utthe unna di bhi mrityu ho gayi. I've been told one of the Ragi Sahab was also killed. Narinder Singh ji, आवाज आ रही हो तो बता दें एक बार कि क्या एक रागी साहब की भी हत्या हुई वहां पर, मृत्यु हुई वहां पर?
नरेंद्र जी, अगर आप आरपी सिंह की आवाज सुन पा रहे हैं, क्या रागी जो थे वहां पर उनकी भी क्या मृत्यु हुई?
नहीं, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल नहीं। देखिए, गुरुद्वारे के अंदर मैंने आपको पहले बोला है कि 7 बजे सारी समाप्ति होगी, सारी संगत जो थी वहां से चली गई और हमने गुरुद्वारे को सिर्फ उसको बाहर से थोड़ा सा बंद कर दिया, लाख वगैरह नहीं लगाया, लेकिन बंद कर दिया और हम सभी लोग वहां से चले गए। वहां कोई ग्रंथी नहीं था, कोई रागी नहीं था। यही है, अमरीक सिंह जी ही रागी हैं जो कि वहां से समाप्ति करके अपने घर में जाते हैं और ये 8 बजे की
चलिए ठीक है मिस्टर आरपी सिंह, आई होप दैट आंसर्स योर क्वेश्चन सर। आई होप दैट आंसर्स योर क्वेश्चन सर। Go on, sir. We have to take reactions from our other guests as well. We have a paucity of time. Mr. R.P. Singh.
Okay, so one of the Ragi Sahab was also killed, although at his home, but one of the Ragi Sahab, which is the key component of the Gurdwara system, he was also killed. But that point aside, Pakistan.
देखिए, मैं ये
No, he's saying the person who was killed was also the Ragi, is what he's saying, Mr. Singh. Mr. R.P. Singh.
I'm saying that. I'm saying the same.
Yeah, okay. So go on with your reaction, sir. Narinder Singh ji, 1 second. Mr. R.P. Singh, go on with your reaction, sir, now.
So it was not only Poonch, it was also, they have targeted Harmandir Sahib also. As far my information goes, one of the target was Harmandir Sahib also, although the Indian defense system didn't allow that to happen. Otherwise, the target was Harmandir Sahib, and they could have, they wanted to spread this message that Harmandir Sahib has been attacked by the Indian government itself. Not only that, they also spread a message that, oh, Nankana Sahib will be attacked. So Kartarpur Sahib will be attacked. So their objective was to create a rift between the communities, and they which miserably failed because Sikhs are with India. I mean, there is no question can be raised on any integrity of any Sikh in the India at least. And also, I mean, even worldwide, I've been told, I'll send you the pictures also and videos also, Sikhs have gone and prayed in Gurdwaras and has said that India should give a befitting reply to the Pakistan. I have pictures from various parts of the world with me where Sikhs have prayed. They have done ardas in Gurdwaras. So the message was very loud and clear that you can't divide us. We are very much part of the country. We will give our life need be. And I have videos where people from the border state of Punjab, the former ex-army men, the Sikhs who were Sikhs, they said we are prepared to go again. Who participated in 71 war, they said we are still strong enough to go and fight it on the front again. So Pannus and people like Pannus they can try their best, but I am telling you today, Pannu's time is also limited. Mark my word, it's not beyond this year that people like Pannu will not exist on this mother earth.
Absolutely right. And Mr. Ramneek Singh Mann, what does this all